What are we making, Liam?
Yeah.
Very good.
Can Daddy put one in?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy's gonna take this one. All right. What colors do we have?
The longer you keep it in, the darker the color the egg will be.
Orange.
How many eggs do we have in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, bye.
I think we have more than 5. Do we have 6?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, leave it in. You have to leave it in there, Liam. Ah. Who brings you Easter eggs, Liam?
Liam, who's going to bring Easter eggs?
Me.
Yeah, they're going to bring them to you. Who's going to bring them to you?
Daddy.
Daddy. What about the Easter bunny?
Mommy.
Oh, jeez.
No. Hey.
All right, we have to wait now, okay?
Okay.
They're going to get nice and dark.
2.
Yeah, we got 2 more left. What colors do you want to do the last 2?
Oh, yellow.
Yellow and blue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.